The Calphalon Temp IQ Espresso machine, with grinder uses precise grinding, and even heating. 15-bar Italian pump delivers the right amount of pressure for maximum flavor extraction, and produces a beautiful layer of crema for your espresso. The Temp IQ system features thermoblock heating technology and pied temperature control to evenly heat during the espresso extraction, combined with gentle pre-infusion to bloom the espresso. Auto shot volumetric control dispenses the correct amount of water for 1 or 2 shots of espresso. Cup warming tray and hot water option for espresso-ready cups. Includes stainless steel milk pitcher, single and dual wall. A cafe-sized 58mm portafilter allows for even water dispersion for a robust flavor. Powerful steam wand produces creamy froth and microfoam milk for cappuccinos, lattes, and more.